Welcome to my channel. I'm Emily, the Petite Beauty blogger, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I take off my makeup. Now, this is the second time I'm filming this. I already filmed it, but I lost the memory card that had it all on. So this has been a long time coming, and I hope you enjoy the video. Now, this skincare routine is more for those with dry skin, because my skin gets incredibly dry and flaky. So as you can tell, I do wear quite a bit of makeup, so I like to use a makeup remover that's going to be quick and get it off easy. So I use the Garnier Micellar water that's oil infused. I never use this before I do my makeup because I did it before and oil reacts with makeup really badly and it completely messed up my makeup. But this is my favourite, and all I do is soft circular motions, and I will show you how quick and easy it is, because oil is the best thing for taking off foundation. And there we go, that was on half. That is disgusting, but you can tell the difference of my face. It is mental. So now I've removed most of the makeup with those cotton pads. I am going to quickly go into the bathroom. I'm not going to film in the bathroom, but I am going to use this Bare Minerals Clay Chameleon Transforming Purifying Cleanser, and this is going to get off every last bit of makeup. And I'm back, and I extra cleansed because I had a lot of makeup on, and as you can see, that has taken all of my makeup off, and it's left me with a nice bright and clean face. So the next product I'm going in with is the Pixie Retinol Tonic, and on the back it says this multi-action treatment with time-release retinol also replenishes skin with potent antioxidants, and it says use daily after cleansing. And the next product I'm going in with is the Nails Yard Rose Sauvage Beauty Elixir. Now this is more of a pricier product. My auntie got me into these, and helps give your skin a natural radiance boost, and it's really nice for just moisturizing, and you don't need much. So I only used one pump, and I obviously rub that into my skin, and I rub it in first, obviously going down the neck as well. You really only need one pump because a little does go a long way, and it smells luxurious. It smells like those fancy spas with all their expensive products. This was an expensive product, but if you're not spending money on anything else, then skincare is where I spend my money. And for my next product, it's the Dr. Organic Rose Otto Serum. Now I know this seems like a lot of products, but serum is one of my favourite products to put on because I believe serums have more concentrated benefits. So obviously the chemicals in it are more powerful than moisturisers. So I love to put this on before moisturiser, and this is an anti-aging super serum and absorbs quickly into the epidermal cell matrix. Fancy. To instantly lock in moisture whilst using its powerful transdermal properties to permeate deeply, helping to renew elasticity, restore skin integrity, and leave a soft toned feeling of balanced hydration. Now I own a lot of Dr. Organic because they are cruelty free and organic, and they won't break the bank. I just, I have the snail gel because it sounds disgusting, but snail gel is really good for anti-aging, and I also have a lot of their skin lotions and face scrubs and face masks. I just love them. I'm just going to do one pipette full That's probably too much still. I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3. Just right from time. Really massaging my face. So it's like an at-home facial. Now I've applied my serum, I'm going to go in with my facial roller that looks like ovaries. And the benefits of a facial roller is it can relax any tense skin, it reduces fine lines and wrinkles, relaxes them and helps increase blood flow, and it also helps restore and balance your pH. And what I love about this the most is that I put it in the fridge, and in the morning I use the handle to just go like this underneath my eyes and above, and it helps reduce puffiness. But if you can't be bothered to buy one of these, one good thing that also helps reduce puffiness is put a spoon in the fridge overnight, and there you go. So I've let the serum sink into my skin because it's quite powerful, and now I'm going to go in with my Holy Grail moisturiser, which I think I've mentioned about 10,000 times, and that is the Bare Minerals Butter Drench. Now this is targeted for people with dry to very dry skin types, so this is the thickest, creamiest moisturiser I've used in my life. I love to use this before foundation and primer because it really smooths out any flakiness, and it helps give my foundation a flawless finish. And this is the one I die when I smell it because it smells just like a fancy salon. It just smells delicious, and it says apply evenly to face and neck, use morning and night. So yeah, we apply it to our face normally, and you also apply to your neck, because that is one thing people forget to do. You must apply to your neck as well, because a lot of people try to anti-age on their face and all your age will show in your neck, so you can easily tell if you are if you're getting older. If you don't mind having wrinkles, I don't care about that, then fair enough, I do. If you haven't got time to do all of this, then my best, either make time for it because this is important, or if you really are a hard-working person that has a long job, like my mum today, she worked from 7 o'clock and she's working till 10 o'clock in the evening, so a 15-hour shift, she won't have time to do all of this. So for people that do have long hour jobs, then you can just cleanse and moisturize. The last step in this video is lip balm. I know a lot of people forget about this, but my lips do get very dry and cracked, and when I wear so much lipstick, it always needs extra moisture. And this is the the iconic EOS ones, and this is the purple one. It doesn't have a specific name or not taste, but scent, so it's just the purple one, and it's really good and useful. And there we go, and that's how I take off my makeup every night. And as you can see, all the products I've used have made my skin looking really glowy and made my skin hydrated. Obviously this is for dry skin, and my skin at the moment is not looking dry, which is amazing because normally it feels like tight old leather and looks like that. So I hope you liked the video. If you'd like me to try any other skincare, or if you have a skincare product in this video that you also love, we can share in the love in the comments. And as always, if you could like, comment and subscribe, and follow me on my Instagram at Petite Beauty Blogger, and like my pro Facebook page, facebook.com/MUA by Emily. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!